loves, and welcome to Tanya LTV. Today on the menu I have made chicken and waffles, honey, but not just any kind of chicken and waffles. This has lemon pepper garlic sauce over the top. They are so delicious. My food is flavored with love, and if you're ready for this flavorlicious experience, just keep watching, honey. Let's get started. We will begin zesting a lemon. We're making that lemon pepper seasoning. All right, so I am grinding my peppercorns. If you do not have this, that's fine. You can use regular black pepper. And we all know that I use my Himalayan salt all the time, but use whatever salt that you have. Okay, now we're going to get these green onions together. We have to work on this sauce because it's going to be everything. The lemon is really the star of this dish. Alrighty, we're cutting those right in half. You definitely want them small enough to fit inside the cone, but big enough to enjoy. Okay, so the lemon that you zest, you're going to just cut maybe just a little corner off of the side and squeeze the juice onto the chicken. I'm adding my seasoning. This seasoning is called Nature Seasoning. It's one of my favorite, and a little bit of allspice. I'm just going to dump this over into the flour in this plastic bag and shake it up. My butter is all melted. Add your minced garlic. And your homemade lemon pepper seasoning. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. I wish you could smell it, but you certainly will as soon as you follow this recipe. Throw those green onions in there, give it a good stir around, and get ready to eat some good food flavored with love. Let's check on our chicken. Beautiful. Yes, golden brown. Yes, that's what you're looking for. After they come out of the oil, you want to put them on a paper towel to get the excess oil out of them, and then begin your process by putting them over into the sauce. Quick little note, I did fry my chicken in coconut oil. I like the canola oil as well, but I chose the coconut oil today, just something a little different. Okay, you want to stir all of your sauce and saturate this chicken. Honey, it is, oh my goodness, it's so good. There's your waffle cone, and you can pick these up at any grocery store. And you just begin putting your chicken inside of the waffle. Just as easy, there it is. Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness, trust me, it is. Yummy. This cone is so super good, but you guys, what you didn't see in the video is I kicked it up a notch. I added that Frank's red hot sauce, honey, and it took it to the next level. Do you hear me? If you want a little bit of spice in your life, sweetheart, put some hot sauce in the sauce and cover it up. Put it in that cone. Oh, it's gonna be good. I certainly hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. Remember, we live, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, guys. Bye.